Get more smoke this way.
It's the first time since I was a kid that I felt like he was watching out for me.
You know what ticks me off? I'll tell you what ticks me off. Hanging out here in Bedford County in 15 below zero when I could have been sitting in Miami on the beach selling hot dogs. That's what's ticking me off. But no, Sweetie wanted to come to the resort mountains and go skiing up and down 99 highway every day in and out of Altoona. That's what's ticking me off, man. I'm out here, I'm freezing my balls up. I gotta take the battery out of the car. I gotta put it next to the radiator. I gotta take the battery, take it out of the house in the morning, put it back in the car, and start this piece of shit car up. That's what ticks me off, man. I'm not too thrilled. I don't want to hear anybody's bullshit. I just wanted to go to Florida. That's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to go to Florida, get a little hot dog cart, and sell hot dogs on the side of the road. All I wanted to do. In the meantime, everybody's online, and they're all screaming and whining and crying that it's freezing out, and it's so cold out. Yeah, that's right. Men don't wear gloves, okay? So for all you little bitches, man, that are running around, you got your hair, you got the scarf all wrapped around your face, you got the ski mask on, you got the gloves on, you can't move, you say I'm totally freezing. Bunch of pussies, I don't know. Getting more smoke out of my lungs, the damn car that's heating up here. Anyway, don't ever hate the player, hate the game. For all you little bitches, get the hell out there and work. See ya, and I wouldn't want to be ya. Oh, wait a minute, I can't leave. Rosalie! There we go. You're out there in Chicago, Illinois. Do you got your little mittens on? Do you got your little gloves on? All right? Are you in your little van down by the river figuring out which heater to fix? Is that what's happening, Rosie? You did this, man. You brought your bullshit to Bedford County. You bought your Arctic air. Yeah, we whipped your ass in the playoffs, and then it's been a nightmare. I feel like I've been living in Chicago for a century. Maybe 2 centuries. Oh, man, I'm not driving. Unbelievable. I'm not driving. I'm heating the car up. Wow, it is cold out here. From the hills of Bedford County. Don't hate the player, hate the game. See ya! And I definitely wouldn't wanna be ya.